Added stress on an expectant mother can adversely affect the child in her womb. Just one thought that drove the president to seek expanded maternity benefits from PhilHealth for mothers on the family way. Our Floyd Brents has more on this latest PhilHealth maternity entitlement, which kicks in tomorrow.
She has not even given birth yet, but 5-month pregnant Christine already appears weighed down by rising expenses.
Sa vitamins po, nasa 1.5 po yung gastos kasi madami pong binibigay na gamot. Tsaka kasama na po din yung gatas.
Yung check-up naman.
Yung check-up po, 500 po, tapos labas pa po din yung mga laboratory po.
And the most exciting part has not even happened yet, her delivery. That is why as early as now, Christine and her partner are already finding ways to prepare for the cost of childbirth.
Yung mga ibang bills, hindi po muna namin binabayad, like katulad po ng wifi, mga ganun. Sa kuryente din po, inuuna po muna namin yung needs ni baby.
The struggles faced by the expectant mothers are not lost to President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Kapag kinulang ang pera, napipilitan tayo maghintay o magtipid. Dito nagsisimula ang panganib. Maraming ina ang nanganganak na walang doktor. Hindi dahil ayaw nila ng tamang pang-alaga, kung hindi dahil hindi nila kaya ang panggastos.
President Marcos Jr. now wants to change that. Starting tomorrow, April 30, maternity benefits are available through PhilHealth will increase.
Para sa normal na delivery sa ospital, mula 9,750 pesos, magiging 29,000 pesos na ang sasagutin. Para naman sa cesarean section, mula 37,000 pesos ay magiging 58,000 pesos hanggang 62,000 pesos na. Sa maraming pagkakataon, kung sa ward manganganak, kahit sa private hospital, maaari nang wala nang babayaran paglabas.
PhilHealth has also doubled benefits for newborn care. From 4, it will now cover 8 checkups for infants. Parental care has also been expanded from 4 checkups. PhilHealth will now cover 8.
Kasama na ang mga bakuna at saka laboratory test. At pagkatapos naman manganak, may 3 follow-up visit na sakop na rin.
That is good news for Christine.
Malaki din pong tulong kasi makakabawas po sa gastusin sa ospital pag sakali pong may babayaran.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. said the program aims to ensure every mother can give birth safely without worrying about the burden of hospital costs.
Nais natin na walang buhay ang malalagay sa panganib dahil lamang sa kakulangan ng pera.
Floyd Brents from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.